Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a really graceful word, ballet. This is a B2 level noun, and it means a classical dance form. So what exactly is ballet? Well, it's a type of dance that involves very precise movements and gestures often performed to classical music. Think elegant costumes, pointe shoes, and stories told through dance. Some synonyms for ballet include dance performance and classical dance. For example, we are going to see a dance performance this weekend, or she is training in classical dance at the academy. Now, for some words with opposite meanings, antonyms, though not exact opposites in every context, things like free movement or improvisation. For instance, unlike the structured movements of ballet, their performance was all about free movement, and improvisation is the core of their unique style. You'll see ballet used in everyday life when people are talking about going to the theater, let's buy tickets to the ballet, or when talking about dance lessons. My daughter takes ballet classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Here are some usage examples. The prima ballerina performed a stunning ballet. She has a passion for ballet, and they went to see a ballet at the opera house. To wrap up, we've explored the graceful world of ballet, a classical dance form. We looked at synonyms like dance performance and classical dance, contrasted it with things like free movement and improvisation. Plus, we saw how it's used in daily life. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Finally, we'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence about ballet and share it in the comments below the video.